Guys, I'm stuck in my friend's house and it's insanely raining hard. Open the window. It's like it's gonna flood.
Ayaw niya namumura siya. Ayaw naman niya.
Oh, then my sister is in your house?
Yeah. We're just neighbors. It's like I said, Mikay, let's swap.
A family.
And you're gonna be with Margo, and I'm gonna be with Kai.
Bro, Mikai's face is look like sad, then you are happy. Yay!
She's like,
Yay!
I'm like, Mikay be like, me be like, yay!
Because what?
Because
Wait, I think your grandpa is gonna you pick up you.
please save me.
We are on the escape tsunami.
Escape to Chami for brain rush IRD.
A brain roll.
Let's go out. And when we opened you, water burst out. Let's go off. Where's the basket?
Wait, I'm gonna get the ball.
What ball? It's like my
Siya sa gitna.
bro. It's like what do you call this? My play date with my best friends Noah, Ethan, Andre, and Tobias, which is all boys. Oh no. Oh! Oh no.
You guys should.
Guys, it was really hard.
Because it's small.
One hand. Whoa! Missed it. Missed it completely.